Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about ThriveCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your PayPal account to your ThriveCart? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your PayPal to ThriveCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses through ThriveCart, you know that you have to have connected a payment gateway to accept credit cards from your customers. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ThriveCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ThriveCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to connect your PayPal account, I want to let you know first off, it should be a PayPal business account, not a PayPal personal account. Those will not work. If you need help setting up a PayPal business account, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But once you set up your PayPal business account and you have your login credentials here in ThriveCart, you're going to click on this little power button here on the top right. Once you click there, you'll see a drop down menu, and you want to click here integrations. All right, once you do that, you want to scroll down until you see the PayPal logo. Go ahead and click on view settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to have these two options. You can accept PayPal, or you can accept PayPal, but also credit debit cards, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to click here, and then you're going to click here, PayPal account connect. It's in turquoise. Okay, next you want to go ahead and enter in the email address that's associated with your PayPal business account, and then click on next. Okay, next PayPal is going to ask you to go ahead and enter in the password to your PayPal business account. So I'm going to enter that in off screen and then click login. Okay, next PayPal is going to give you this warning that ThriveCart wants permission to connect your PayPal business account. If you're okay with that, click on allow. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes and you should see this. You're ready to get paid with PayPal on ThriveCart. So I'm going to click here, return to ThriveCart. Okay, then it refreshes back into ThriveCart and it says, congratulations, I have successfully connected my PayPal enhanced through ThriveCart. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your PayPal account to your ThriveCart, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.